In this part, we are going to talk about the sending transactions, and there are a few major differences from core functions. Sending a transaction requires a from address who's calling the functions, and this is message.sender in the Solidity code, and we want this to be the user of our DApp, so the MetaMask will pop up a prompt to prompt them to cite the transactions, and then sending a transaction costs gas, and there will be a significant delay from when the user sends a transaction and when the transaction takes effect on the blockchain. And I think most of the people already experienced this if you already have the experience on trading the Ethereum or other cryptocurrency. And now we are going to create the zombies, and let's look at the examples of the first functions. In our contract, create random zombie, and if you remember, this is the Solidity code, and this is the create random zombie. And here is an example of using the MetaMask to create the random zombies. So first we go to add the text, the transaction status, to let the people know this is now creating a new zombies on the blockchain, and this is because they will need some time to do the transactions. So we call because we use the API, we can send from user account, and then if on received, then this is successfully created, which means the zombie already successfully created, and then we get all the zombies by the owners and then display the zombies. And then the other is on error, it will display the error. And our function sends a transaction to our Web3 providers. So the receipt will fire when transaction is included into a block on Ethereum, which means our zombie has been created and saved on our contract. Error will fire if there's an issue that prevents the transaction from being included in a block, such as the user not sending enough gas. And you can optionally specify the gas in this part. So you can specify the gas. If you don't specify, MetaMask will let the user choose their values. So now we are going to start creating the functions. So the first is create a random zombies below the display zombies. So this is the function display zombies, and we start here and we copy the create random zombies, and then we copy and paste to here. And then the other is we create another function. It's just like create random zombie, and this is fit on kitty. So we paste fit on kitty. And then the second thing is call the second functions fit on kitty, and there is two arguments. One is the zombie ID and the other is the kitty ID. So we have to change this to zombie ID and kitty ID. And now instead of creating a new zombie, we choose the word. We choose the word eating a kitty. This may take a while, so we copy this and we paste this, and then we use the methods is also the fit on kitty. Zombie ID and also the kitty ID. and then send from user account, and on receive the transaction status will be eating ate a kitty and spawned a new zombie. And then we get the zombies by owner user account, and then display the zombies. So now this is all the steps that we need to do. So now we can check the answer.